Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Morpeth, Ontario, a charming community in Chatham-Kent, nestled between Blenheim and St. Thomas. Its convenient location places it less than an hour and a half away from Windsor. Morpeth boasts a rich history that dates back to the early 19th century. The village was laid out by William Sheldon, with Edward Lee opening the first store in 1826. The establishment of the first post office in 1831, with Captain Wheatley serving as the inaugural postmaster, marked a significant milestone in the community's development. One of the notable historical landmarks in Morpeth is the Hill House, built by Hiram Hill. This residence is among the few remaining structures connected to Morpeth's shipping era, reflecting the community's involvement in exporting grains and farm produce during its early days. For those interested in exploring the natural beauty of the area, Rondeau Provincial Park is a must-visit destination. Located nearby, this park offers a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking, birdwatching, and camping, making it a favorite spot for nature enthusiasts. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or simply seeking a peaceful getaway, Morpeth offers a delightful experience for all.
Thanks for watching!